Building long-term financial success isn't about making a one-time lucky investment or hoping for a windfall. It's about creating smart, sustainable money habits that will help you not just survive, but thrive financially. The habits you develop today will determine your financial future, and the good news is, it's never too late to start making changes that will set you up for long-term success. So, what are the smartest money habits you can adopt to secure a prosperous future? It all starts with a mindset shift and a commitment to consistency. Let's dive into the money habits that will take you from living paycheck to paycheck to building real wealth and financial freedom. First, get comfortable with budgeting. It's often overlooked, but budgeting is the foundation of financial success. Creating a budget isn't about restricting yourself, it's about giving every dollar a purpose. When you know where your money is going, you can direct it toward things that truly matter: savings, investments, and long-term goals. A budget gives you the power to spend consciously, avoid unnecessary debt, and make sure you're always moving closer to your financial goals. Next up is saving. It might sound simple, but building a habit of saving regularly is one of the most effective ways to secure your future. Start by automating your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a savings account or retirement fund. This way, you're paying yourself first before you have a chance to spend that money on something else. Saving becomes effortless when it's built into your routine, and over time, those small, consistent contributions will add up to a significant nest egg. Along with saving, it's crucial to prioritize building an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and having a financial cushion for unexpected expenses is a game changer. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in an easily accessible account. This fund acts as a safety net, protecting you from the stress of living paycheck to paycheck and preventing you from going into debt when life throws you a curveball. Another smart habit is eliminating high-interest debt. Credit cards, payday loans, and personal loans with high interest can drain your finances and make it harder to build wealth. One of the best things you can do for your long-term financial success is to aggressively pay down debt. The sooner you get rid of it, the more money you'll have to save, invest, and use for other important financial goals. Investing is another key habit for long-term financial success. Building wealth doesn't happen by simply saving your money, it requires putting it to work. Whether it's through stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or real estate, investing allows your money to grow over time. The earlier you start, the more time your investments have to compound. Make it a habit to invest regularly, even if it's just a small amount. Consistency is key, and over time your investments will grow significantly. Along with investing, it's smart to diversify your portfolio. Diversification means spreading your investments across different asset classes, industries, and geographies to reduce risk. This way, if one investment doesn't perform as well, your other investments can help balance it out. Make sure your portfolio is well-rounded and aligned with your long-term goals. One of the smartest habits you can adopt is continuously educating yourself about money. Knowledge is power when it comes to managing your finances, and the more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make smart financial decisions. Whether it's reading books, following financial blogs, or listening to podcasts, stay curious and keep expanding your financial knowledge. The more you understand about budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt, the more confident and capable you'll feel in handling your money. And finally, set long-term financial goals. It's easy to get caught up in the day-to-day hustle, but having a clear vision for your financial future is essential. Whether your goal is to own a home, retire early, travel the world, or start a business, setting long-term financial goals gives you direction. Break those big goals down into smaller, actionable steps and celebrate your progress along the way. When you have a purpose behind your money habits, it's easier to stay motivated and committed to your financial journey. By adopting these smart money habits, you'll set yourself up for long-term financial success. The key is consistency and taking small, actionable steps every day. Whether it's budgeting, saving, investing, eliminating debt, or educating yourself, each of these habits will help you move closer to your financial goals and build lasting wealth. Remember, financial success isn't about making one big move. It's about developing smart, sustainable habits that compound over time. Start today, and over the long term, you'll see just how powerful these habits can be in shaping your financial future.